Okay, we will see another problem, that is problem 3. Problem 3 says that the boiling point of water, at 750 mmHg is 99.63 degrees Celsius. How much sucrose is added to be added to 500 grams of water such that it boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So here question is like that the boiling point water at 750 mmHg is this much. So this value is not necessary for us. This value is necessary for us. This is the requirement. The boiling point of water given 99.60 degrees Celsius. So how much of sucrose? That means weight of the sucrose. It asks about the weight of the sucrose. That means how much sucrose is added to 500 grams of water. So weight of the solvent is here 500 grams. So that is boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so it gives the boiling point of water this much, and amount of this water, that is solvent 500 grams, and boiling point of the solution is also given what 100 degrees Celsius, and it wants about the weight of the solute. So we know that formula पकेवा प्रथमे लिखि परिबा the boiling point, that is boiling point of water equal to T1 equal to 99.63 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of solution, that is T2 equal to 100 degrees Celsius. That implies delta TB equal to T2 minus T1 equal to 100 minus 99.6 degrees Celsius. This is equal to 0.30. This is the elevation of boiling point delta TB. Yes or not? Yes. Then molecular weight of the solute. This is W solute. It asks, we have to calculate this. We have to calculate the weight of the solute. It is the asking point of the problems. The weight of the molecular mass. Mass of solute. This is small m equal to how much? Our molecular mass is what? Sucrose 12. This is the formula of the molecular mass of the sucrose. So this is equal to what? 12 into 12 plus 1 into 22 plus 16 into 11. So 12 into 12, 144. This is 144 plus 22 and 16 1, 6 1, 6 1. 176. This will be what? 12, 5, 7, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2. So molecular mass of sucrose is here 342 grams. 342 grams. And so now we have to put the formula, that is W solute equal to Kb into M into 1000 divided by delta Tb into weight of the solvent. We know that. So here W solute equal to, so this is the M solute. So M solute equal to W solute into Kb into 1000 divided by delta Tb into W. That implies M solute, that implies W solute equal to M solute into delta Tb into W divided by Kb into 1000. This will be, M solute is how much? Molecular mass of the solute is 342 into delta Tb is 37.37 into W. Weight of the solvent. Weight of the solvent is how much? This is given. Weight of the solvent is 500 grams. 500 and Kb is given. So Kb value is here. Kb given Kb equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole inverse. This is equal to 0.52 into 1000, and this will be gives 121.6 gram. So weight of the solute is 121.6 gram. Now we see next problem, that is problem 4. Problem is like that: 10 grams of non-volatile solute, 10 gram of non-volatile solute when dissolved in 100 grams of benzene, 100 grams of benzene, raise its boiling point by 1 degree Celsius. What is the molecular mass of solute? What is the molecular mass of solute? So here 10 grams of non-volatile solute. This is the weight of the solute, W, when dissolved in 100 grams of benzene. So weight of the solvent is 100 grams. This is capital W. After adding 10 grams of non-volatile solute in 100 grams of benzene, its temperature rises, that is 1 degree Celsius. This is delta TB. This is your delta TB. So it asks about what is the molecular mass of the solute. Okay, so we know that formula, molecular mass, that is S solute equal to Kb into W solute into 1000 by delta TB into, that is capital W. So M solute equal to, and here given is that, given Kb for benzene equal to, Kb for the benzene equal to 2.53. So by putting the value of Kb, that is 2.53, weight of the solute gives us 10 gram. 10 into 1000 divided by delta TB 1 degree Celsius into weight of the solvent. This is the weight of solvent. Here solvent is your benzene. Here we use the solvent as what? Benzene. So whereas them bhabe solvent to water hoga the benzene kar kala, but according to the question here solvent is benzene. This is its weight equal to 100 grams. This will be gives 253 grams. So molecular mass of the solute is how much? So question is what? It asks about the what is the molecular mass of solute. So molecular mass of solute is 253 grams. Okay. Now we start a new chapter, that is electrochemistry. This is chapter number 3. So it is we can define it as like that. It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy and interconversion from one form to another. So this is the basic definition of the electrochemistry. Electrochemistry defines is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between. So electrochemistry generally relationship between the electrical energy and chemical energy. So electrical energy और chemical energy भितर कौन relations अछि सेटा को आमे कौन कहूचे इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री गोटे एनर्जी फॉर्म आ गोटे एनर्जी फॉर्म केमती कन्वर्सन होची ता आमे जो स्टडी करिया को आमे कौन कहूचे इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. Okay, so it is written here what is the branch of chemistry which deals with the relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy and interconversion from one form to another. So electrochemistry re आमे आगुटे जिनस देखिबा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. So electrolyte रो definition लिया हबा a substance that may be atom, molecule which after dissolving solution can conduct current. A substance, atoms or molecules which after dissolving solutions can conduct in aqueous solutions aqueous solution can conduct electric current called electrolyte. Yes or no? Yes. Suppose that means suppose I take solvent. This is solvent and this is the solvent with water. This is aqueous form. Water generally means aqueous form. After adding what? NaCl. Suppose NaCl is electrolyte. Suppose it is a electrolyte. When I add to the solvent, it forms what? Solutions. So after formation of solution, it can conduct electricity. That means electric current pass through these solutions. So it is written here a substance, atom or molecules which after dissolving aqueous solution can conduct electric current called electrolyte. Okay.